Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive. This one's white. Under the hood's a 3.7 V6 pushing out 300 horsepower and 275 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. We've got a gray leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive badging. Trailer hitch. Opening up the tailgate here, we've got a clean set of floor mats, a fold-down third row seat. For our rear passengers, we've got rear climate controls. Coming up front, we've got memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, our radio, heated seats, a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has 112,826 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura, check out feldmanimports.com.